This is the scaffold.
Welcome to the scaffold. When operating a scaffold, before you start climbing, you have to always make sure that the legs are secure. Which means the wheels have to be locked. You have to push the red stuff down all the way. And these supporters have to be at a 45-degree angle.
And also
and make sure they're unmovable.
not wobbly.
And when climbing the scaffold, you are not allowed to climb outside. You always have to climb from the inside. As Reka demonstrates.
Okay. And when you want to move the scaffold, you unblock the wheels, put this away, and you can move it. When constructing the scaffold, you also always need to be consulted by an expert, who is verified to give a signature that this scaffold is ready to use.
I mean, we can only, as DNSers, can only build it 2 stories high before it's illegal for us to build a scaffold.
Yeah.
When it's bigger than that, like how big it is now, we have to have Kim come and sign and make sure it is Kim-proofed that it is safe to climb.
All right. And so without Kim, we can build how tall until this platform there?
Only 2 of these.
Only two of these outside bits.
Platform, the first double platform is.
So up to this part here. You cannot build further without expert consultation.
Without being fined by the Danish government.
Yes. Alright, let's go up and see what Reka is doing. We're taking off the chain lock now, so I might as well show how the chain lock is connected. There can only be 2 people on the scaffold at a time. So we're at the top of the scaffold with Reka.
So when you are up, you always need to close this little door. And we are gonna take off the chain.
This is the chain lock that is holding up the bridge. So this is the process of removing the chain lock. You put this into the bucket, and you have the bucket attached to a rope in a pulley system, where you are able to lower the bucket with the super heavy chains slowly down to the people at the bottom. A similar, we also need to take off the chain lock itself.
The other one was higher, so I got this. So it's a carabiner, you just unhook it and put it in the bucket.
Taking it down from the inside, we'll not film that.
Do we need to take off this one also?
I think this this is the hook that usually stays on, but at this moment, we moved it when we were preparing. It was somewhere there on the other side. But we needed the bridge here, so we moved these. This can be unscrewed and placed wherever. But unless there is needed, we don't move these. But when putting up the chain lock, it's the reverse system. You bring this up, and you attach it, and you bring the chains down. And that is it. Then later you attach the bridge on the bottom of the chains on the big hook, with the green strap that can handle a lot of weight. Anything else? And that's it.